Chapter 5 Exploring Forces Q1 to Q15 Hello students, welcome back to Genius Teaching. आज हम ग्रेड 8 साइंस का चैप्टर 5 एक्सप्लोरिंग फोर्सेस पढ़ेंगे. Question 1 What is a force? Answer The push or pull applied on the object is called force. इसका मतलब है किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पर लगाया गया पुश या पुल फोर्स कहलाता है. Question 2 What can a force do to the bodies on which it is applied? Answer The force applied on an object may 1. Make an object move from rest. 2. Change the speed of an object if it is moving. 3. Change the direction of motion of an object. 4. Bring about a change in the shape of an object. 5. Cause some or all of these effects. यानी फोर्स किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को रेस्ट से मूव कर सकता है, उसकी स्पीड बढ़ा सकता है, डायरेक्शन बढ़ा सकता है, शेप चेंज कर सकता है और एक या एक से ज्यादा इफेक्ट्स भी प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है. Question 3 Are forces an interaction between two or more objects? Answer We can infer that at least two objects must interact for a force to come into play. A force is a push or pull on an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. इसका मतलब है कि फोर्स तभी लगता है जब कम से कम दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरैक्ट करते हैं. Question 4 What is the SI unit of force and its symbol? Answer The SI unit of the force is Newton and its symbol is N. याद रखिए, फोर्स की SI यूनिट न्यूटन होती है और इसका सिंबल N होता है. Question 5 What are the different type of forces? Answer Forces दो मेन टाइप्स की होती हैं, कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स और नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. 1. Contact force, muscular force, friction. 2. Non-contact force, magnetic, gravitational, electrostatic. Question 6. What is muscular force? Answer. The force resulting due to the action of muscles is known as muscular force. Muscular force occurs when muscles contract and elongate while doing any activity. Animals, birds, fish and insects use muscular force for movement and survival. यानी मसल्स के एक्शन से जो फोर्स प्रोड्यूस होता है यूज मस्कुलर फोर्स कहते हैं. Question 7 What is friction? Answer The force that comes into play when an object moves or tries to move over another surface is called the force of friction or simply friction. जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरी सरफेस पर मूव करता है या मूव करने की कोशिश करता है तो जो फोर्स उसकी मूवमेंट का विरोध करता है यूज फ्रिक्शन कहते हैं. Question 8 What is non-contact force? Give examples. Answer There are forces whose effect can be experienced even if the objects are not in contact. These forces are called non-contact forces. Examples Gravitational force, electrostatic force and magnetic force. यानी बिना टच किए भी जो फोर्स काम करे यूज नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स कहते हैं. Question 9 What is magnetic force? Answer The force exerted by a magnet on another magnet or a magnetic material is called magnetic force. मैग्नेट के द्वारा दूसरे मैग्नेट या मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल पर लगाया गया फोर्स मैग्नेटिक फोर्स कहलाता है. Question 10 Does the force of friction will be greater if the surfaces are rough? Why? Answer Yes, because friction arises due to the irregularities in the two surfaces in contact. Even smooth surfaces have minute irregularities which lock into each other. इसलिए rough surfaces पर friction ज़्यादा होता है. Question 11 Why are aeroplanes designed with a specific shape? Answer The objects such as aeroplanes, ships, boats and high-speed trains are designed with specific shapes to reduce the force of friction due to air or water around them. इससे फ्रिक्शन कम होता है और स्पीड बढ़ जाती है. Question 12 Write differences between contact force and non-contact force. Answer Contact force acts only when there is physical contact between objects. Non-contact force acts even when objects are not touching each other. Question 13 What are static charges? Answer When two objects of certain materials are rubbed together, electrical charges build up on their surfaces. These charges are called static charges. Question 14 What is a charged object? Answer The object that acquires static charges is said to be a charged object. Question 15. Give the definition of electrostatic force. Answer. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged body or uncharged object is called electrostatic force. यानी चार्ज्ड ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा लगाया गया फोर्स इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स कहलाता है। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।